There's been an explosion around the corner. Gee, where's Natalia?
I'm thinking about going live, but yeah, I'm gonna go live. That's good. What the hell was that? That wasn't like a backfire. That was just
Oh no! Now you're gonna have to fire and he starts finding. Oh, you're way too big. No, I'm like 8.5.
Yeah, but I wanted to get started here live streaming. We just heard an explosion at the memorial site.
Police rushed around the corner.
Obviously, re-traumatized somebody immediately. It's horrible. It was around the corner. We're at Charleston and what is the city center?
Yeah.
Community Center Boulevard. The explosion sounded like it was from around the corner here. We saw multiple police cars just basically peel out of here and drive down the street. We don't know what's happening around the corner. I'm guessing they probably won't let us over there, but we're going to go ahead and try.
Yeah, we're gonna go before they shut it off.
We heard an explosion. Sleep and I are going to.
The police are going somewhere. Show those officers right there.
Wait, I got
it.
it. Yeah.
And you got officers this way. Do you want to go this way or that way?
Officers are going there, and they're not running. But we saw two cop cars peeled out here pretty quickly.